Imus down by 14. 3-point shot was put in.
Binigyan kaagad ng outside shot na itong Imus.
Nasa loob na si Lester Reyes at si CJ Alatiga. Nice move going to the basket sa Imus. So also they don't have JT Belencion. Pasumal. Good pass to Olegario.
Bong Ravena, Luel Briones, who was awarded and recognized in Cebu.
Right. Alatiga with a strong finish going for the reverse.
Hindi dapat mag-relax. Dagdag ni Coach Astong, ang goal ay dapat makarating sa direksyon na gusto nila. Isipin na walang mala sa depensa. Okay lang di sila makashoot pero di din dapat makashoot ang kalaban.
It feels like meron silang legitimate shot of making it to the playoffs. They could just exert more effort. And yun yung hinahanap pa rin niya dito sa kanyang
And
kupunan.
again, those kinds of games.
Mapunta siya sa sitwasyon na mas marami siyang scorer na kakampi, mag-dip down yung numbers, but it hasn't been the case. In fact, he is their leading scorer right now. Destacamento puts it off the dribble, bounces out, napulot. Move the ball around to Imus. Malong Marquez. Tough shot, and will rattle in. Bobuyes. Mid-range jumper, short. Alatiga. Offensive rebound and the stick back. Alanes, one of those guys who is very adept at getting to the free throw line a lot. Knocks down both. Binabayaan nila si Balong Marquez and he makes them pay with a free.
First one to reach double digits.
Sinagot naman ni Ubuyes sa kabila. Shot of his own. First field goal make for Jello Ubuyes. Marquez, about the same spot. Wala na namang pantay. Pasok yan.
Points now in the ball game. Lapses now sa depensa ng Valenzuela.
3-on-1 fast break. Sidestep, Beltran will... Alanes off the dribble. Collado has hit a couple of threes in the first quarter. This time, he draws closer. Basket and one.
9 points already for him, leading Valenzuela.
Longtong, no-look pass. Padua, tinapos sa kabila.
Pushing the ball.
Alano, they will dare him to take that shot. Mamaradlo will put it up and knock it down from rainbow distance. Longtong, pass to Jetro Sombero, lines it up. Marquez, napulot yung bola. 20 points agad para kay Balong Marquez.
He's doing it.
Also not here for Imus is Noel Santos. Marquez this time may challenge. Walang problema.
He is feeling it. And Valenzuela always leaving him open. He's active though. He's been cutting. He's been getting those rebounds. Again, another good drop down pass.
Lost control on his way up. Collado racing down the floor to finish off that fast break. Sa pagkakataon na yun, malinaw. Nasa kamay pa niya. As the clock expired, Jay Collado lines it up. Robinson blocks down another rebound. Robinson sumugod. Alano nakuha yung offensive board. Another second chance opportunity from Justin Alano.
Against Valenzuela.
Malones, open look. And hits it from long distance.
Shooting lights out from the outside. We've got a total of 14 three-pointers made by both teams in the first half alone.
Collado lumusob. Quintes. Still enough time. Collado from way downtown. Almost. And that's gonna do it here in the first half.